No. You just show face and come back here.
What's the problem?
Let's you are your team. Let's go there.
This is court. You don't have that right to that court. You have no right to prevent. You don't have that right. You want yourself to that. You can't have no. You don't have the right to do what you are doing. You have the matter. You can be there. They are preventing me from. They want them to revoke my bail on the other side. Imagine. That's what they want to do. That's what they want to do. They want them to revoke my bail on the other side.
No, it cannot work.
Correctional. You've been talking about this thing more than.
I've been talking to you for 30 minutes. You don't want to listen to me.
Wait, this is not correctional. Please, you are not in control of this court. You are not in control of court.
You can even decide to be there.
But it's not
Take him to that court now, please. If they will revoke his bail, there is another problem.
It's another problem.
That's what they are planning now.
No, I said let me go. Why would you let him just why would you let him just go there? What is the problem? You guys are not the woman. Now let's go there. Let's go to the court. Wait. Let him go. We are passing now. We are passing. What are you doing? Let him go. It's a simple something. You are here.
One, the application for bail was considered, and the trial court held that he should be released on bail on the following conditions. One, 2 sureties, 200 million naira each or like sum. One of the sureties must be a property owner in Abuja, and also he must have one of the sureties being a traditional ruler from his community. Then also he was ordered to deposit his international passport. The matter has been adjourned for Monday, 6th of July for definite defense. Definite defense, and it must be from day to day. That is the order of the court.